Hey guys, so do you know that you can now use your Oraimo Freepods Pro or any Oraimo earbuds with you plus your Samsung phone to spy? Yes, I've been doing this in my office and I know what my colleagues have been saying about me when I'm not there. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can set it up and start hearing what they had to say about you. And if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and let's get down to business. Alright, first thing to do here is to connect your Oraimo Freepods Pro or any Oraimo Freepods that you are using. A quick tip in here, you can use any Bluetooth earbuds that you have around you. Okay, so I'm using these Oraimo Freepods because that is what I have most with me, and you can use anything. So far you are using a Samsung phone, this is going to work for you. So let's continue with the video. As you can see right here, I have my Oraimo Freepods Pro connected to my Samsung phone. And once you have done that, do the next step. The next thing to do is to go right into the settings of your Samsung smartphone and scroll all the way down to the accessibility option. Toggle it on and you are going to see the options under accessibility. Select hearing enhancement, and when you select that, select amplify ambient sound and toggle on the option of the amplify ambient sound, and you are going to see this human symbol down at the end of your phone. And also you may see something like here or here symbol if you are using a series Samsung phone. Then you go back. Now you can keep your phone right in the office or anywhere that you want to hear them from, and just walk 5 meters away from that place or 10 meters. But anything beyond 10 meters, your Oraimo Freepods is going to disconnect. Now you can hear anything they have to say about you. All you have to do is to just wait and hear everything, and when you are done, you can walk into the room and pick your phone. To disable this option, go back to the accessibility center and turn off the shortcut option that we turned on before. If this has helped you, please subscribe to the channel and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe. Peace.